So now let's see how we can work around with offset and repeat filter inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with offset and repeat filter, first of all, you need to go around onto the filter menu right here, and then go around over here onto others right here. And here you can see that offset is an option right here. So if I were to go around onto offset, then you can see that I can go around and change around the horizontal offset right here and the vertical offset right here, so that it changes out the position of the image right here, just like this, around over here, right here. Then apart from that, you can also go around and repeat as pixels right here, so that you can change around the offset right here and the as pixels are repeated just like this. You can also go around and wrap around right here just like this, and then this is what you have. So you got wrap around right here, and you can make it transparent as well, just like this right here, just like this, to go around and make the offset more transparent. So let me just go around and go for wrap around right here and press OK, and this is what is applied. So apart from that, you can also go around and then apply out repeat filter. So to do that, you need to go around onto repeat and then go around onto other right here, and you can see that repeat is an option. So you can go around and scale up the repeat, as you can see right here. You can go around and sift around the repeat, as you can see right here, to make it look like tiles. And then you can also space out the repeat right here on X axis and Y axis right here accordingly, and overlap it out right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and auto color it out and change around the angle of the repeat as well to make a pattern like effect, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the repeat effect inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.